Okay, I'm gonna do a refrigerator tour. Here's the outside of our refrigerator, and it's a LG. This is a French door, I don't know. Here's what it looks like, an overview of the refrigerator. With the freezer on the bottom. This is a French doors. It's not really organized, but this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Up here, some juice boxes that Joanna got for free, my daughter. Oops, for free. So they're in there. She doesn't drink them, they need to leave. I have a container here. This is, we don't go in this container too often. Let's see. Chocolate cocoa. There's not much in here. Two. This one is, I think we're just open. This one isn't even open. But living in Panama, we have ants, and they think they like something dark. It's kind of like dirt. So then we have some sprinkles. This multi-container of sprinkles. Then we have a container of stuff here. Some other sprinkles. And this is icing we made. That's in here. And then we have this crema dulce. Yeah. In there. So this is kind of like the sweet kind of. Even the natural unsweetened cocoa isn't sweet, but in the world, this is some candy nonsense. My daughter, Joanna. So I usually just go sit up there until we need it. These juice boxes, I need to get rid of them. But this is where they are. And the fruit cup for school. These tomatoes in here because this one busted open, so I figured I better refrigerate it so the bugs don't get in it. And then here we have this Hershey spread, which I really don't think they like. It's been in here. We have popcorn, rice, more homemade icing in this container. And it's just rice in here. Rice, popcorn, this nasty stuff don't quite fit in there. And we have tomatoes, like I said, sitting in here. Then we have some mangoes from our tree here, which I know they're ripe. In there. And they're cold. And yeah, to be ripe, they have to look really bad. Disgusting. This is actually, I know I have no labels on this. This is almond flour. This is almond flour in here. Almond flour. So there's another mango. I don't know what. Oh, an egg. I lost egg. Gotta test the egg and see if it's still good. And light corn syrup that you can see is hardly anything in there. We had that for a few years. And then in a container back here. This is a lot of chocolate. Chocolate in the back and some graham crackers put in the back. That kind of lives back there. As far back as I can get it. And the corn syrup so ants don't get to it. And then here, this is the ice cream containers that we get here. But made rolls. And this is how I pack the rolls in these containers. And here's the egg. Make some rolls. So they're just in there. Let's move this back so that the egg can be seen. Tomatoes. Next shelf we have a row of milk, and then we have cream cheese in the back. Try to keep it back. And here we have a container of, this is lemons from our tree. So I put this in my water. And here, this is actually a sweet orange from our tree. Joanna had that, just put that in there yesterday. She asked me to get the orange for her off the tree, and there it is. So my lemon, you can put that in the water too. That's orange. I had one yesterday. There's orange juice. This is some chicken that I made, so we can use that. So that's sitting there. And then here we have our maple syrup. We have our maple syrup on this shelf. This is, oh my gosh, this is like bouillon, but it's in a powder form. It's solid. It's here. And then this one is chicken, I think, and this one is beef. Yeah, that one's beef. And I just reused a cream cheese container. There's cream cheese here in Panama. So I just used a cream cheese container. That's chicken. No, this is the beef, and this is the chicken bouillon. And it's in a container back there. Out of the way. This shelf is a little lower because when I go to Price Smart, which is international for Costco's, I buy a gallon of milk. Now, it's not as cheap as Costco's. The milk isn't cheap because the milk is local milk, but it's expensive. It's $4 something a gallon. And then this drawer used to keep cheese, tomatoes, and mixed salad. And if we had onions, the onions would be in here. So you can pull out the cheese and stuff to make a sandwich or wraps. And then here is actually a container, but it contains local, fresh made cheese. What is that? You know, like Parmesan cheese. And this is another ice cream container used to put our cheese in. And we have extra sharp cheese, and this is a very little bit light in the refrigerator without. Wait a minute, let's see if I can get that light back on. Okay. Extra sharp cheddar cheese, and this is the mozzarella cheese. It's only a little bit in the bag, so he's in there. Oh yeah, and I have these liners on the shelf. So that. I have the liners. I got line in the drawer. And this is herb. What is it? Oh, I forget what kind it is. And then under here, under this drawer, we have our wraps, so you can make wraps with it. Some wraps under the drawer, and then over here in this drawer, it's a mosh posh, mainly sweet stuff. This is powdered sugar or icing sugar, another bag of icing sugar, brown sugar, yeah, little raisins, chocolate chips. See, this is from Costco, Price Smart internationally. Then there's a bowl of chocolate chips and peanut butter, chocolate chips and peanuts. That's granola cereal. And the internet's open. And then under this drawer, we have more cheese. Price Smart. Not Costco's, because we're in international, another country, so it's Price Smart here. And then this was, someone gave us this. It's candy. I actually have some carrots back here. Makes it still wrapped in bag. So when I see 3 things of cheese in here, and here, and here, 3 things of cheese. But I usually go, because I don't, Price Smart is like an hour one direction to get to. It takes an hour to get there, an hour to get back. So we try to buy what we need and we can fit. And I put the liners here, so what we can fit. Sometimes I buy 4, 5, 6 cheeses. It depends on how much cheese I have left. And usually what I would do, if this is full, I would take the cheese and I would put it back here and stand it up. And I can go all the way, I can get like 3 back there. I still have cheese in this container as well. And cheese everywhere. And then I have one of these trees, these liners. I need more because this drawer doesn't have any liners in this drawer, and these shelves have liners. But I need at least 2 more for this, and there are none in the drawer. And here is a mishmash of stuff. We keep our flour in the refrigerator or the freezer, or both. Sugar, the overflow sugar, we're going to use the bag first. Rich crackers that we haven't eaten all of them yet. Spinach, just got today. Spinach makes salad, cereal, bag of loose cereal. Open cereal. Try to keep it away from the ants. And then in this drawer, I just took the bacon out to defrost. It's frozen. Let's see, we have peppers, apples, cucumber, and these are, oh my goodness, these are sweet potatoes, but I think these are purple sweet potatoes. I'm just putting the bacon in here to defrost to cook it up. And then on the door, this is the door. We keep butter that we get local butter made. We keep it there. These are just some little packets where we get, stick them in there. I think these are hot pepper seeds I have to plant in the garden. Condiments, so you see on the shelf. The shelf is full of different kinds of condiments. Mustard, and all this, something, I don't eat it. Here is pickle juice, homemade mayonnaise. I usually try to put some pickle juice in the mayonnaise. This is rendered bacon fat. This is, what is this? This is sugar water. We make juices already made. More condiments. This is balsamic, strawberry balsamic. This is some chipotle sauce. And then here we have our ketchup from Price Smart, hot sauce Price Smart, salsa for Price Smart, spaghetti sauce, red sauce, Price Smart, and then more rendered bacon fat. Back there in that drawer, it's pretty done. Over here, it's kind of a mismatch of stuff as well. We have our yeast for making